Hello and welcome to another Stamp Fever Design Team Wednesday. This is Gina, and today I am here to show you how I store my clear stamps. I've created this binder. It is a 8.5 by 5 or 5.5 by 8 inch binder. It's the smaller binder that you can find at Staples. They come in different colors. I've created this cover here and I've added the logo there at the top so I know which binder contains which manufacturer's stamp sets. And then this way I know which page has which stamp set. And I have also added the logo on the side as well, and that way when they're standing I can see which brand or manufacturer stamps I want to look for. So let's go ahead and jump inside. These are page protectors. These are Avery page protectors. Staples does have a Staples brand page protectors. They do come a larger quantity for a smaller dollar. However, they are a lot more flimsy than the Avery brand. I did purchase a bunch of those, and I ended up going back and buying the Avery ones instead and using those. I felt that the thickness of it was much better, and it would last much longer. So here is how I have my stamps. I've taken them out of their manufacturer's packaging and added a white piece of paper. As you can see at the top here, I've added a white, this is an address label, an Avery address label, and I've added the logo again and the title of the stamp and the number of the stamp. Okay, and this is very beneficial for when you are creating blog posts and you want to know what stamp set you used. It's listed right there and it's on your papers. So let's go through a little bit. These are just a few of the stamp sets in this binder that I have. And I wanted to show you two ways that you can store your stamp sets depending on your preference. So here's the first way, and I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Okay, so the first way is going to be adhered to the paper itself. So when you want to use it, you would do exactly what I did. I did, and I took the paper out. I'm going to move that out of the way here. So you just go ahead and take the paper out, and then you would have your stamp set adhered with glue dots. You can see the glue dots there onto the paper. So you would just lift it up, take a stamp out, and then put it back. So you don't have to worry about whether or not what stamp goes with what paper and putting it back. It's gonna stay adhered to this sheet. Now the other way that you can store them is by not adhering them at all. Okay, and then that would mean that your white piece of paper would stay in your page protector, and you would just pull out the clear set. You would use it like normal, and then you would put it back in the page protector. You can do it either way with the hero stamps because all hero stamps or most hero stamps have the number here at the corner or at the bottom. You can again match it back up to the paper that it belongs to. However, not all stamp sets are that way. Clear stamp sets are that way, and then that way if you're using multiple stamp sets and you're not sure of the names of them, you may get mixed up in the end. So once you're done with it, you would just take it, we'll find the area here, and you would just slide it back in. Close your binder, and you're ready to use it for next time. Hope you liked the tutorial, and we'll see you again next Wednesday.